Oh god, heavy piece of shit. Okay, so what up? My button more button. I can't talk. This is the only time you'll be hearing my voice because I'm so insecure about it. But yeah, Navi Noodle here, and I got my button maker that I ordered on Friday. Oh good. Help me, I'm such a weak boy. Oh. Did I cover my address? Time to open the box. Time to open the box, I said. Extra cardboard. Awesome. I've always wanted cardboard. Ooh! These are big buttons. Here are the button parts. Oh, these are gonna be huge. Oh boy. Oh, let me get my other shit out of the way. Here are the metal plates where the design goes. More cardboard. I'm guessing this is the actual button maker here. Oh, that feels heavy. Let me put my phone down for a sec. Oh god, it's heavy. Shit. I moved my cutting machine. Thank you. I just said thank you to a cutting machine. Okay. Let's open up, man. Yeah, okay, so I got this button machine off eBay from a certified tecre, whatever, seller called cabuttons.com. CA, I assume, means California, because it came from California. More of them. Sweet. I got more shit. Okay, here's the Mylar. Here's the actual button maker. I'm not gonna be able to do this one-handed. I mean, just slide it out. Oh god. Oh, whoa. Alright, so a fun story that happened just now. Looks like I'll be back. Okay, yeah, so a fun story that happened just now. I just got called by a random number from New York like fucking 5 times, and every single time I like ended the call, they just kept calling me again. So, I wonder what that's about. I hope they weren't in trouble or anything. I'm sorry. So here it is. Oops. Well, now it's peeling. Oh well, I'm just gonna not mess with that anymore. Here it is. Here's the big boy. Awesome. I was gonna test it out now, but I just realized it didn't print out any designs. So let me do that right now. Alright, so while I'm waiting for that to print out, I can tell you about other stuff. Okay, so these buttons that I'm going to be making, and more in the future I guess, they're going to be up on my Etsy shop, which I'll put down in my description if anyone's interested, if anyone actually watches this video. I'll be making Gerard Way buttons along with Umbrella Academy buttons. And also, right now I'm selling stickers on there, and I'll be making more stickers, and hopefully I'll be able to make more products, because I don't want just stickers and buttons on my shop. I want to make acrylic charms and standees and bookmarks and prints, obviously. And also, if any of you are in Florida, I'm gonna hopefully be selling my merchandise at SwampCon 2020 next year. So if I get accepted and if I have enough money to make things, Who knows? Anyway, yeah. See you there if you want to buy my stuff. You know. Alright, awesome. I'm done cutting my shit. Alright, so I printed it out on 2 types of paper. Because I don't know. I know a bunch of people use regular printer paper for their buttons, but this is the regular printer paper. Regular printer paper, and it looks like it's shit. It looks shit. So I used the paper I normally use, and I like the quality of better is Epson matte photo paper, which is much brighter, much cooler looking. I'm gonna test out this photo paper. I know I didn't get a photo button maker, but like it's a pretty thin photo paper, you know. I got all the stuff I need: the actual button maker, the artwork, the pin back, the button backs, and the mylar and the metal plates. So let me try to open these one-handed, or not. Alright, so I got them open in like a second since I cut that out. Alright, so let me get one of these plates. See if I can do this right. Okay, so I put let me look up a tutorial real quick. Alright, cool, I looked up a tutorial, and let's see, which one do I want to mess with first? Well, I'll just do a Gerard one for now. And so, there he is. Easy peasy, pumpkin peasy. So, so we'll swivel that over. Then. Oh god, that takes a while. It's probably a bad idea for me to do this one-handed, but who cares? And now, now take one of these back parts. Take one of these back parts, flip it over, and put it like that. And then I swivel. Whoa, there's nothing there. Oh my god, magic. Okay. Alright, sweet. Did it work? I forgot the fucking mylar. Well, I mean, it worked, I guess. But it's like, it's not glossy, because I forgot the fucking mylar. Oh my god. Well, you're a failure. You're a failure, Gerard, I'm sorry. Let me try that one more time, except correctly. At least I have these 20 extra buttons to spare for this shit. Let me try that again. But you stupid fucking idiot. Alright, so yeah, here's the mylar. And put that over. Watch me make that mistake multiple times. Alright, here we go. Okay. Now take a back thing. Sweet. Alright. Now let's look at a better one. Yup, here we go. Here's our crisp, clean button. Better than you, I'm sorry. I mean, I kinda like the matte look, actually. Well, I mean, it's good. It's good for a test. I'm gonna put this on my bag. It's awesome. I like this. Now let me test it out with my girl Vanya here. So it looks like it works with this photo paper. Looks like it's thin enough. So that's good. Mylar, do not forget the Mylar. Oh, there's nothing there. Sweet. There she is. Yeah, it works pretty well. Maybe I should make this. I don't know, I really like the... Or I like the matte look of it. The problem is it just doesn't wrap around that well. Yeah, I like it. It's gonna be so much fun to play around with this thing. The only problem is that it came with a bunch of residue all over it. But I guess I can deal with that if I can make some cool ass buttons. Sweet.